Okay, so we're going to learn how to play September by Earth, Wind & Fire, one of my favorite songs. First chord, it's a D flat major 7. With your left hand you're playing a D. So together. Second chord, C sharp minor 7. Basically an E first inversion with a C sharp bass. Okay. Next chord, B minor 7. And that's basically a D chord with a B bass. So back to the second chord, which is a C sharp minor 7. With the bass you're going to go up half steps, E, F, F sharp, to an F sharp minor, and then with your left hand, F sharp, B, C sharp, and then you start over. So now on this time around you play something different. We're going to play a C sharp 7 without the third. So we have the 7, C sharp, and the 5th, so 7, which is B, 1 C sharp, and then 5 G sharp over an F bass note. And then we're going to go to an F sharp minor 7, which is basically an A chord over an F sharp chord. Okay, so we got so far. And then we're going to play what's considered a G major 7. That's wrong. Let's say it like this. Yeah, it's a G major 9, I guess you would say. Okay, B, D, F sharp, A. Or you can say a B flat minor 7. Either way, over an A note. That's your bass line. So. Okay, let's get to it. So there are basically just two parts of this song. The intro and verse and the chorus. So let's start with the intro / verse. It goes like this. is. So the first chord is a D major 7. So second chord, C sharp minor 7. So ba, ba, ba. And so third chord is a B minor 7, D, A, F sharp, B. So we got okay, next part. Back to the C sharp minor 7. And then the bass is gonna roll right here. To an F sharp minor. So to get back to the D, we're going to play F sharp, B, C sharp, and then start over. Here's where it changes. I'm going to go with what it says there, C sharp major 7 over F to an F sharp minor 7. So we got the B, C sharp, G sharp. So now to the end of the verse. I've had some discussions on this. The sheet music says G major 7 over A. Okay. So I'm basically playing a G chord and adding a D chord. So G, D, which makes a G major 9. And then the bass is A. So the whole thing slowly. And that's the intro slash verse. Okay, so now the chorus. The part I forgot to do in the other video. Okay, so before it starts, it goes up from, we're ending here on the verse. The bass goes up a half step, and then we go to B minor 9. So we got the B in the bass, C sharp, D, F sharp, A. So then to E. Now stay there on that E. We're going to roll from B up to C sharp. We're just going to keep that E chord there, and that makes it a C sharp minor. Then we're going to go to F sharp minor 7. Then start that again. Now the end part, the timing is a little different. You're going to hit the A, then the chord. And 3 hits at the end. There's variations to that, but that's pretty much the whole song. Okay, thank you very much for watching.